The quadratic formula is often called the universal key of algebra, a powerful tool that can unlock the solution to any second-degree polynomial equation. Before we use the formula, we need our equation in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are our known coefficients. And here it is, x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. It looks complex, but every piece has a purpose. The most critical part is the discriminant, the value inside the square root. It determines how many solutions we'll find. If the discriminant is positive, the parabola crosses the x-axis twice, giving us two distinct real solutions. If it's 0, there's only one solution where the vertex touches the axis. If it's negative, the parabola never touches the x-axis, leading us into the world of complex numbers. This formula wasn't built in a day. It's the result of a 4,000-year global journey, starting with Babylonian clay tablets and their verbal recipes for geometry. Ancient Greek mathematicians like Euclid used geometric constructions to find these roots, literally drawing the areas to solve the puzzles. During the Islamic Golden Age, Al-Khwarizmi developed systematic methods of balancing equations, moving us closer to the symbolic math we use today. Finally, in 1637, René Descartes gave us the modern notation we recognize, crystallizing centuries of work into one elegant formula. But where does the formula actually come from? It's derived through a process called completing the square, a clever bit of algebraic gymnastics. By rearranging the standard form and adding a specific value to both sides, we create a perfect square, allowing us to solve for x and reveal the formula hidden within. In the real world, this math is everywhere. Physics uses it to predict the path of projectiles, from a kicked soccer ball to a launched rocket. Engineers and architects rely on it to calculate the curves of suspension bridges and the precise shape of satellite dishes. Even in business, it's used to find break-even points and maximize profits by locating the vertex of a profit function. From ancient tablets to modern engineering, the quadratic formula remains a cornerstone of our world. Be sure to check out the calculator tool mentioned in the description to solve your own equations instantly.